sow, probably right around 100 pounds or so. Took a little while to find her. You know, the small pigs, they came right on into that sour corn. They love that stuff. And the older pigs, like they always do, they're a little uneasy. They sat back for a while, and finally the two mature, you know, mother pigs came on in, and they came out and started eating. And then I think maybe they caught a little bit of my wind or something spooked them a little bit. And she made that kind of grunt, that huffing noise, that warning grunt that they made. And I could tell she was about to go at that time. I threw back real quick, and I had to take a quick shot. You know, it wasn't the ideal shot, but you know, I hit her with the Grave Digger, caught one lung going in, and probably hit, you know, back the liver, beginning of the guts coming out. And you know, with a 1-inch fixed blade, I wouldn't have found it at all. But that big 1 3/4 by 1 inch cut, you know, I still had a decent blood trail. Took a little while. She ran about 100 yards, and but I found her, got her out. We're gonna get her cleaned up, and she'll make some fine table fare. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.